or rather teaching you a break and retest system, not actually a strategy. It's like a concept just for break and retest. I already have my strategy in place. So when I'm when everything is complete, based on taking a trade, I now look out for something like this. So it's actually a break and retest concept. So I call this trade. This is Eurocard. I call this trade out on my free Telegram channel. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. So do what to be a member of the channel. This is, I think I called it out on Monday, and today is Friday, or probably Saturday when you're watching this video. Because I may not upload it today, I might upload it tomorrow, being Saturday. So this is the trade. I called it out here, right here. So I was expecting this to happen. Yeah, I was expecting this to happen on Eurocard. So let's get back to the charts. So I'm just going to teach you the break and retest concept. No, I'm not like reviewing the trade. I will just give you the concept and I break down the break and retest side, which is the main purpose of this video. So already I have my bias from last week. I had my bias to be bearish this week. So this is actually this blue zone is a weekly um, supply or order block. I like to call it order block. So this is a weekly order block. So when I saw this weekly order block, I waited for everything like a bearish candle on the weekly, then I come down to the daily to see my trend. Now, this is where the whole strategy or this is where the whole concept is going to be clear to you. So when I came to the daily time frame, now I saw this trend. I'm a very big fan of allocating highs and lows to trend to time frame. Sorry. So this trend now is non-existent on the weekly time frame. Let's check. Yeah, you see, it's just bullish candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the bearish candle I got last week. So this candle gave me a bias that we are going to drop this week. So let's go back to the daily time frame. So when I got that bearish candle on the weekly time frame, what did I do next? I came down to the daily time frame. Now this is a trend on the daily time frame. So now I'm already sure, about 80% sure, that we are going to drop, but I still need some confirmations. So when I came to this daily time frame, this trend has to do something like this, 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 then fail to create a new higher high, then break the low, then retest and drop. But I saw something else. I saw something else that drew my attention. Now, when we came back to this higher high on the daily time frame, this one I marked out with the Y zone. When we came back to this higher high, which is with that bearish candle on the weekly, we came back to that high. Now, this is exactly what I was expecting. I was expecting that this price might not give me a retracement like I predicted. I expected that it might not give me a retracement. So what I did was I went down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, why did I go down to the 4-hour time frame? I'm looking for, normally, if price comes to this retest, this sorry, I think it's network. Okay, we are back up. So when price comes back, normally when price does this higher high, it's supposed to turn this previous high to a low, that is turning resistance to support, to go higher. Normally that's what you should get. So because I'm already bearish for the week. I'm already bearish for the week. So what I was looking for was for price to come back to retest that high, try to make it low, try to make it turn it to a support. So when price retested that high, what I did next was I went down to the 4 hour to look for a trend here within this 1 2 3 candles, these 3 candles, to know if I will see a trend on the 4 hour. So when price came when price came to that daily high that has been broken. So when price came to it, let's use this line. When price came to it, retest, then I went down to the 4 hour. Now what am I looking for on the 4 hour? Remember I told you I'm looking for a trend on those 3 candles. So now the four hour has already switched to a downtrend, but the daily is still in an uptrend. But the 4 hour has already changed to a downtrend. So what I did next was, now we've come to that daily high, high, retesting it. Normally we are supposed to go up, but look at what the 4 hour is doing. Look at what the 4 hour is doing. Downtrend. Okay, let's say to this point, the downtrend. So what I did was I marked out this 4 hour low. Marked out this 4 hour low. Because when price came here, it has already broken this low. Change it to yellow. So when it broke this low, and look at what we have here, a big displacement. Displacement is a very crucial part of the whole break and retest. Displacement here. So when I saw this displacement, the next thing I was waiting for was for price to retest that 4 hour low, turn it to resistance, turn that 4 hour to 4 hour low, support to resistance. Now all I need when price comes back to that low is a bearish candle. Any type of bearish candle, it just has to close bearish. So got this first one here. This is it, I think it's called the hanging man. Got this hanging man here. So took the trade, although I was waiting for break and retest on the daily. So took the trade here. And look at where we are now. As I'm talking to you, this is where we are on the live market. So the aim of this the target of this trade is a weekly fair value gap here. So that's what I'm targeting. So that's it for the video, guys. I really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to be a part of my Telegram channel. Again, I'll remind you, because this week we've been killing it in the market. You can see all the trades we've been taking together. Although I don't send them as signals, I send them as my projections. I don't give exact entry, exit, and all of that. But I will always tell you when to break even. That's if you're in the trade. I will always tell you when to close if something is wrong with the trade. So this is another analysis for that euro card. As you can see the arrow here, euro card week 1 week chart. So this line was supposed to be a drawn liquidity, but it has to come retrace to this point before we can know or can be sure that it wants to go up to this high and take out this high. So that's it for the video, guys. I really appreciate if you like and subscribe to the channel.